Good morning. My name is Alex. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. This is day 3 of a 5-day yoga morning challenge. I will link day 1 and day 2 below. Let's begin. Oh, and do subscribe because I post all the time and have a lot on my channel. Child's pose. Bring your knees a little bit wider than normal. Soften down into your space. Arrive. We've been here before. It is still the present moment. Bring awareness to the breath. Try to breathe in and out through the nose as best as you can. Our intention for today is gratitude for your foundation. Think about what is your home base? What is your home, your grounding? Let that create your own intention, those inspirations. What makes you feel grounded? Why do you want to feel grounded, stable? Press up to a tabletop. Knees under the hips, hands shoulder width. Let's do one cat-cow. Make it so intentional. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Reach your right leg back and up. Pull in the core, bend the right knee, and draw some circles with the knee out and around. You want to leave the elbows a little bit soft so that the torso doesn't move too much. Bring the right foot up between the hands. You can use your hand to scoop the heel up. Keep the right knee over the right ankle. We're going to prop up onto fingertips or blocks. Let's untuck the back foot and soften forward. You're going to feel your left hip flexor and a little bit of a press into the right foot so that you have alignment. If you let the breath shorten, that's okay. Just bring it back. Press into the right foot and the top of the left. One more long breath. On your exhale, let's walk all the way to the back of your mat for a half split. We're going to sit on your left heel or a block or inside of the knee, the ankle I mean. Reach up with both hands and forward fold over the right leg. Hamstrings are very finicky in the morning, so take your time. Make this passive. Take what you need. And if you can reach your foot, let's give it a little bit of a squeeze. And then stop rubbing the foot so that you feel those changes. Press into the hands to sit up. Shift your weight forward, back into a lunge. Leave your left knee down, kneeling lunge. Left hand on the mat, right hand on top of the right knee. Let's press onto the right hand, into the right hand to find a middle upper back twist. And release. Right foot back to a tabletop. Find stillness, scan right to left, and then cat-cow. 1. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral spine. Let's do the other side. So left leg lifts up and back. Take a moment to feel the hamstring, the balance in the torso, and then bend the knee out, down, and around, using strength to support your range of motion. Left foot between the hands, kneeling lunge. Back foot is untucked, or top of the foot down. Let's lift up onto our fingertips. Left knee is directly over the ankle. You don't want to be farther forward than that. Gently press into the left foot. Press the right foot down and breathe. We're moving back to the half split. Sit on the foot or inside of the foot or on a block. Let's lift and fold over the left leg and just go where you can. Don't expect so much. Your hamstrings are tight in the morning, and your hamstrings are a big muscle group, science, but you gotta be gentle with them. Lengthen the breath, especially the exhale, so your body will encourage or trust you enough to relax. Press into the hands to sit up. We'll shift our weight forward, stay in that kneeling lunge, lean on the right hand, left hand on top of the left knee for a middle upper back twist. Remember to breathe, even if it's a little constricted. Lower your left hand down to frame the left foot. Find tabletop. One cat-cow arch. Inhale. Long exhale, pull in the stomach, round and press. Neutral, tuck the toes, press up and back to downward facing dog. Pedal out through the feet. I like to pick up one hand at a time and roll it out. Keep a soft bend in the knees, walk to the top of your mat. Let's relax over the legs. Round up to standing. Palms touch. Lift the toes, spread them out, set them down. Feel connected to your foundation. On an inhale, reach the arms above the head. Look between the hands, shoulder width distance. Exhale, forward fold over the legs, knees are soft. Bend the knees, chair pose, Utkatasana. Relax the shoulders, lift the toes, pull in the core, fingertips lengthen away from the tailbone. Press to stand, bring the palms to touch at heart center, feel the energy moving through your legs. Your foundation. Inhale, reach the arms overhead, lift at the very top. And exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Bend the knees, sit down. Bring the soles of your feet to touch. Knees are apart, we're in a butterfly. Hold on to the outsides of your feet, shoulders down away from the ears, sit up. And fold forward over your legs, round or flat back. Keep your temple soft, your expression gentle. Sit up. Place the soles of your feet on the mat. Hands are behind you for a reverse tabletop. Fingertips point forward. Press through hands and feet and lift. Hi, Caesar. Neck can go back if you're okay with that. And sit back down, legs out in front of you. Reach up, inhale, high. And forward fold, gentle, intense, whatever you need for the length of your exhale. Round up to a seated position. Sit any way that is comfortable. Relax the shoulders down. Spine is straight. Posture is good. Hi, handsome. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Float them down to the right for a twist. Right hand behind you, pull with the left hand. Inhale through center, arms overhead. And twist to your left. And one closing breath together. Inhale, arms overhead. Reach up at the very end. Inhale. Long exhale. Lower your hands down. Thank you for joining me. Thank yourself for taking care of yourself. Hi, come here. I will see you tomorrow. Namaste. That was day 3. Oh. Namaste. Day 3. See you tomorrow. Done.